Hey guys, this is Gabe from Donley Ford in Mount Vernon. Here I have a 2024 F-150 XLT, and you could be asking what makes this one different from any other one that we have on the lot. This was a service loaner XLT, so it has roughly over 4,000 miles. However, what that means for you is you get a greater discount. This package is a 303A, new for 2024, along with the darkened bronze metallic, which is the new color for 2024. Have these gorgeous 20-inch wheels here. Coming in on the inside, you have power adjustable pedals, B&O sound system, nice 12-inch screen, of course heated seats, wireless charging pad. Come to the back here, just like Fords always have in the back seat. Plenty of space back here as well. Lockable storage down here also for you guys. A couple charging outlets. This is the 5.5 foot bed. Nice power sliding rear window. Nice slow descent on that. If you guys are looking for a new 2024 F-150, this would be a great option for you to get one at a great price. Stop in today and discover the Donley difference.